And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. I have some buffalo or bison, about a pound, cut into blocks. I'm going to cut a little bit more. Make sure you have your corn. Here it is. And celery, and some pumpkin, and carrots, onions, garlic, tomatoes. And I have here some cebada. They call it in Spanish cebada, but it's barley. Some parsley, about 3 tablespoons. Going to show you something special. Rosemary, garlic, you know the drill. If that's too thick, just cut a little bit more, okay? Bison is very lean and nutritious. So I'm going to do some prep work. First, I'm going to put a little bit of oil. I'm going vegetable, just a few, maybe a teaspoon for the amount we have, a pound. Then I have a little bit of, about a teaspoon of vinegar. Could be apple cider, could be white. And now what you do is you put a little bit of salt. Go with sea salt. And you're going to mix this baby up and let it be out room temperature for about 20 minutes, okay? 20-30 minutes. Peel the carrot, now cut. Pumpkin, mini pumpkin, who cares? Clean the seeds. Maybe about a third or quarter of a large onion. Some garlic teeth. Just smash them. Tomato. Just cut in chunks. So I'm preheating my cast iron. You can use any type of oil, but I have some duck fat, stay native, and it's full, right? So what I did is I put a bunch of the duck fat here, although you can use vegetable oil, and I'm preheating it. And I prepared this duck fat about 2 years ago. Link in the description how to render this baby. It's a winner. Medium high, let me reduce into medium now. This is hot. This duck fat is hot. And this is going to cook fast. So you're not going to cook it for a long time. Just going to give it a nice color. Put the juices there. I said this is going to take about 3, maybe 4 minutes. So you're not fully cooking it, just giving it a nice color on one side for a couple minutes. You can move it around, flip it, couple more minutes on the other, okay? Let's make it a a notch or so above medium. It's about 3 or 4 minutes later. Let's remove this out of the way. I have a pot here, kind of big a little bit because I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Medium high for now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some of the juices from here. And I'm going to transfer this baby here, just a little bit. So that duck fat, or whatever oil you're using. And I'm going to use that to create my base. So let's go first with the tomatoes. Not tomatoes, but with the onions. Let's put this a couple notches or notch above medium olive. Oh, this smells good. Let's bring the tomatoes. Mix it up. Oh, that smells good. I'm going to add now carrots and celery. I want the flavors to mix. Pumpkins, about 4 pieces. Mix things up. Corn. Mix this baby up. Garlic. Mix things up. Now bring you meat. You add the juices it brings. Scrape it, baby, scrape it. See? Then you're going to put some water or beef stock, vegetable broth, doesn't matter. So let's give it a try with a couple cups. And I think 2 cups might be sufficient, but you can go a little bit more if you want to. If you want to make it more soupy. Couple notches above medium. Let it simmer for a minute or 2 before you give it a taste, because you want to see if it's good in salt, okay? So this is going to take 2, maybe 3 cups of stock. Start simmering a little bit, give it a taste. Oh my goodness, I'm hungry now. But I'm going to put a little bit more salt. To my taste, you know, to your taste. A bay leaf or 2. Here's a trick. You like aromatics? Make it smell delicious. Look at this rosemary. Going to put them with them too. Now about 3 minutes in, when it's boiling, you start adding some of the barley. It's about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons. You don't need everything, because this is going to thicken it a little bit. It's going to expand, so you have to be careful. You have to be careful. Cover it. Reduce the heat to medium or not, a couple notches below medium. And I said, let it cook. Couple notches below medium. Cover it, let it cook for about 10 minutes, okay? 10 extra minutes. Okay, let me see what's up now. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. See? Now, I'm going to pinch a carrot. If it's not soft, this one is cooked. See? But if it wasn't, you let it cook for another maybe 5 minutes. But this one is ready.